Let's talk about video ads for your dropshipping store. As important as they are for your brand's success, many people make them very poorly and miss out on a ton of sales as a result. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create high converting video ads for your dropshipping store. Let's get started. Okay, so really quickly, I just want to talk about the importance of running video ads versus image creatives when you're beginning a new ad campaign. So I have a couple stats and good points on here that you guys are going to want to pay attention to. And then we'll go over an example of a really good video ad so that you guys know what to include in yours when you start making them. So I said Facebook video ads receive 10 to 30% more views than other ad creatives and other ad placements. Both paid and organic Instagram videos get 38% more engagement than images. Videos can convey more information than images because there's a lot more packed into those video ads. You guys can include all the features, benefits, relevant points, how it works, and everything else to do with your product. 55% of internet users watch at least one online video per day, and that can actually be an ad. 60% of marketers agree that their video promotions perform better time and time again. And over 50% of consumers want more video content from the brands that they like and interact with on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and take a look at a dropshipping video ad and see what they're doing right. All right, so this product right here is the 4-season windshield protector from AliExpress. And I'm sure many of you guys have already seen this product dropshipped many times in the past because it is an older product. This video ad is actually from November of 2018, so it's nothing new, but it's still a pretty good example of what you guys want to include in your own video ad. So let's take a look at this really quickly. I definitely clean up some points in this, like the text at the beginning right here, but they highlight all of the different uses for the product, all of the benefits. They show the product in action, how it works. Like I said, all the different uses right here, what it protects your car from. It shows a frustrated customer using a scraper before because you can obviously relate. So it flows really good, they make some really good points, and they highlight everything to do with their product, as well as throwing in the 50% off today. So I like all of that they included in this. All right, so now let's talk about all of the video content that goes into creating your video ads and where you can actually find it. So to get started, just look across AliExpress and Alibaba, search for video content under each product listing for the product that you're selling. Many listings on there will have some really good high quality images as well as placement videos. So you want to find multiple listings for each product, as many as you can on each platform, and scan each listing for the video content that you can download and use in your own ads. And then same thing with Google videos. You guys just want to search for your product on Google and look under the videos tab. And you guys can also find many great product like listing videos just like AliExpress and Alibaba directly from Google. And you guys can use all of that as well for your own video ad content. So search Google video tab for your product, find relevant video demonstrations. You guys can search multiple pages and download each new piece of content to create on your first ad. But the best option, this is what you definitely want to use. You want to use these first two while you wait for the third option, but that is custom content. You want to order the product to your house as soon as possible and shoot all of your own video ad creatives from there on out. But you guys can also send the product to multiple influencers in return for content that they create. Or you can create organic YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or TikToks with your product once it arrives. All of those are some very great options. Okay, so now that you guys know what goes into a good video ad and how to find the actual content for that video ad, let's talk about what software you need to use to craft everything together and create the actual ad. So I have two really good options on here for you guys to get started, but if you guys aren't comfortable with video editing yet and you want to work on your skills, I do have a third option where you don't have to edit any of the videos until you're comfortable doing so, and we'll talk about that in just a moment, so bear with me. But the first option I have for you guys is InVideo. It's a very good free to get started platform with many great pricing plans and templates available for you guys to use. It's very easy to throw everything together and create some very good, compelling, attention-grabbing video ads. There's also Adobe Premiere. It's a little more costly, but they have many more great features available when you guys need to make more complex video ads. And there are many more great options available than just these two, but these are the two primary video editors that I use. So edit all of your content into a nice, flowing, informative video that hooks your customers' attention right away. You want to constantly look up competitor video ads and look for patterns and areas of improvement for your own as you create them. And then you want to highlight the product benefits, uses, how it works, and any other relevant information that you guys can throw in there. So if you guys don't want to do any of the actual editing yourself for the video ads, you guys can actually outsource the entire video ad creation process entirely. So The first option, you guys have two options with this, is to go on Fiverr, just fiverr.com, and type in something along the lines of dropshipping video ad, Facebook video ad, TikTok video ad, whatever it is that you're looking for, and there will be many great options that come up for you. So make sure you guys look at everyone's reviews, what people have to say about them, as well as some of their previous work and what is included in the actual listing, as well as the pricing points, because a lot of people will actually work with you. If you don't like the video ad right away, you guys can talk to them and have them make any relevant edits for free with many of them, and they will be happy to do so. But you guys also have a couple great options with this. You guys can hire a VA to go through and make your video ads on a week-by-week basis, where you're working a little more personally with them, or you guys can just hire a one-time Fiverr gig on here and just have somebody make a video that you guys can use for months on end until it, kind of dies out and becomes saturated, and then you guys want to, make some new creatives to go forward. Okay, so the second option that you guys have for outsourcing the video ad creation is going to be a little more pricey, but that's actually hiring an outside agency to go through and do all of the work for you. So if you guys just go on Google and type in like e-commerce video ad agency, there will be many great listings on here. Make sure to do your guys' research, ask around, look at reviews, and look at what each business can do for you with each pricing model available to you. I actually have some great recommendations on video ad agencies. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and DM me and we can take a look at what meets your needs based on your store, what products you're selling, and what experience these agencies have working with certain individuals. So go ahead and look at all these different agencies, see what they can deliver for you, and see if any of them are a great fit for your own business. After watching this video, you should have a good idea of what goes into a quality video ad and the tools needed to start making them. If this video helped you out in any way, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out our many resources in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.